What's up, everybody? Alex here with Jacobs BMW, and today I'm going to show you probably the coolest thing on the planet. Right now, I got the new 19 BMW X5 MSport. My boy Nick here with me. We definitely about to show you what's up with this new ride. You need storage space? We got you. This brand new X5 got tons of it. If you want the tech, we got you. Brand new iDrive, digital instrument cluster, we got you. Also, 33% larger panoramic moonroof. Hey. Yeah. Last but not least, Harman Kardon sound system. Hit it, son.
Can't hear you.